In this video, I'm going to give you the best way to clean tools after working with concrete, so you don't end up with crusty, useless gear that's a pain to deal with later. Concrete is super rough on tools because it sticks fast and hardens quick, so if you don't clean up right away, you're gonna have a tough time. First off, as soon as you're done using your tools, rinse them with water while the concrete is still wet. Don't wait until it dries, because once it's set, it's way harder to get off. Grab a stiff brush or a wire brush to scrub off any chunks or residue. The more elbow grease you put in now, the easier it'll be later. If you're dealing with dried concrete, soak your tools in a bucket of water mixed with some vinegar or a concrete dissolver product for a bit, then scrub again. Always wear gloves when handling chemicals, just to be safe. After cleaning, dry your tools well so they don't rust, especially if they're made of metal. For tools like trowels or floats, wiping them down with a bit of oil after cleaning helps keep them smooth and ready for next time. And hey, don't forget to clean the handles too, because mud and concrete bits can make them slippery or gross. One of the biggest mess-ups I see is letting concrete dry on the tools before cleaning. That stuff is like cemented on and almost impossible to remove without harsh chemicals or serious scrubbing. Another common mistake is using just water on dried concrete. It won't do much, so soaking with vinegar or a specialized cleaner is key. Also, not drying your tools properly after rinsing can lead to rust or handle damage, which means you'll have to replace stuff sooner than you want. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty cool because it hooks up homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. Plus, it's a solid way for contractors to find steady work by connecting with people who actually need their skills without any hassle. If you keep these tips in mind, cleaning your concrete tools won't feel like such a chore, and your gear will last way longer, saving you time and cash down the road.